A woman accused of killing her partner last month in the Russell neighborhood is no longer facing a murder charge. WLKY's Joyce O'Geary explains why the judge decided to reduce the charges.
Maria Swan appeared emotional as Judge Burke reduced her charge to reckless homicide. The judge says that testimony was a reason for her change.
The facts as testified to today firmly fit within reckless homicide.
Maria Swan was in tears Wednesday when Judge Stephanie Pierce Burke reduced the charges against her. Swan is accused of shooting and killing her partner, Isaiah Washington. Police say Swan shot Washington inside a home on Cedar Street in the Russell neighborhood last month.
The first part of the house is basically just one big, large, open space.
LMPD homicide detective Stephen Snyder took the stand and testified Swan told him she didn't mean to shoot Washington.
She was trying to intimidate him. She was trying to shoot at the window that was beyond him in the living room at the front of the house. She shot the gun.
Detective Snyder said her account matched what they found at the scene.
There was a shell casing in the kitchen, which would be consistent with her statement that she was in the kitchen when she fired the weapon.
Swan's attorney argued she had been assaulted before and was acting in fear.
When she was strangled the first time, he takes the gun from her, gives it back, then he strangles her again. Only then does she fire a shot, a warning shot, which terribly hit him and killed him.
But the prosecutor disagreed.
There was not an imminent threat to her at that time. As they were separated, he walked back to the couch and there was no physical violence at that time.
Ultimately, the judge reduced the charge to reckless homicide and explained her reasoning.
Unlike intentional murder, it does not require the intent to kill, but it is a gross deviation from the standard of care that a reasonable person would exercise in those same circumstances.
Joyce O'Geary, WLKY News.